Boxers ready? Fight! One, two.
I've been out here for hours, brainstorming, watching the sun come up, going through the defeat of the egg challenge. Hey, Jamie won fair and square, bagged hollandaise sauce, microwave bacon, put them over the top. Well, now the people have spoken and they want bacon. I'm gonna bring bacon. So I'm challenging Jamie to a burger challenge. So I'm pulling out all the stops. There's no way I'm losing this one. All right, Jamie, you got my attention.
Burgers? He must be out of his mind. If there's one thing I know how to make, it's burgers. I have the perfect recipe.
You need 1 egg, breadcrumbs, and a chopped onion.
Okay, thanks, Mom. I didn't say go yet.
All right, I want to run through what I'm going to make for you guys today. Got a half beef, half pork ground mix, seasoned, ready to go. Some fresh buns. Gonna make a tomato and jalapeno jam, a fried egg, some aged Balderson that's gonna be stuffed in the middle of that burger, beer battered onion rings, avocado, sriracha mayo, and some thick cut bacon. And yesterday I made a homemade honey jack barbecue sauce right here. If anybody's ever seen the movie Over the Top, Sylvester Stallone from the 80s or whatever, hat backwards means it's go time. That's how I feel right now. So I'm gonna get going on this burger. Jamie, good luck.
So you just gotta mix it together and form your patties. And don't worry, I washed my hands. See? I do have a secret weapon that Marc did not count on. Check it out.
Everyone should have one. Number one, because this grill has something no other grill has.
Okay, here we go. The assembly on our beautiful butter pan-fried bun. Sriracha mayo on, avocado. Our first layer of bacon. Our first patty. Bacon again. And we're gonna go patty number 2. Jalapeno tomato jam, sunny side egg, a little bit more sriracha mayo on the top bun, onion ring.
Make sure you leave a comment below with your vote for who made the best burger. Is it the reigning champ or that other guy? Let us know.
Oh yeah.
How close is it? Like how much am I, like where does it start? Is it recording?